Hello, in front of me I've got Range Rover Evoque. In this video I'll show you how to enable and manage cruise control. In the beginning, accelerate to desired speed. Then press set button. Now release the acceleration pedal. To increase speed, press plus button. To decrease speed, press minus button. To pause, press cancel button. To restart, press reset button. Press set button again to start from current speed and minus button to start from first set speed. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.